We humans have always been fascinated by what's written in the stars. Some believe that the earliest mentions of astronomy in India can be found in the Rig Veda. And now an example of India's astronomical progress can be seen in the northmost region of the country, in Ladakh. One of the most promising observatories in the world, the Indian Astronomical Observatory of Hanle. This is Mr. Dorje Angchuk. He is the first Indian member of the International Astronomical Union, and he probably has the most interesting job in the world. You too would find your job interesting if your job involved stargazing.
In the 1990s, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, they wanted to set up an high-altitude observatory. They did site survey at many places all over India. In all those site surveys, Hanle was chosen as the best place because of its topography and cloud-free nights.
Hanle Observatory gets an average of 270 clear night skies and less than 7 centimeters of rain per year. Moreover, its telescope, named after Nobel laureate Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, has been making India proud right since it was installed.
In 2000, when the Himalayan Chandra telescope was installed at this observatory, this happened to be the world's highest infrared and optical observatory. The Himalayan Chandra telescope actually consists of an 2-meter dia primary mirror, which is the heart of the telescope, and it is mounted on an alt-azimuth mount. The telescope can move 360 degree in azimuth and 0 to 90 degree, and hence it can cover the whole sky.
But why make an observatory out in the middle of nowhere? Well, the Hanle Observatory has been placed at this very spot for more than one strategic reason. Reason number one, this observatory is located between the observatories in the Canary Islands and Eastern Australia in such a way that it can observe certain phenomena missed completely by the other two observatories. And now reason number two, moisture in the air can absorb infrared rays coming from space. But the dry climate of Hanle helped this observatory become one of the best observatories for infrared observations. This observatory is said to be declared a dark sky sanctuary by the International Dark Sky Association, meaning that it is the perfect place for a romantic picnic under the stars. Oh, and of course, for astronomical observations. Which is why Dorje has not only built his career here, but also followed his passion.
In 2010, I met this wonderful astrophotographer. So I was very much impressed, and then I was hooked to this hobby called astrophotography, and since then I'm enjoying both my hobby as well as my professional career here as an engineer.
India is considered one of the leaders of the space race. After a successful Mars mission, it has also made a major breakthrough by discovering one of the earliest galaxies ever discovered. If there is anything that India and the Hanle Observatory can teach you, it is always aim for the stars.